हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग कमेंट्स के साथ स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। लेट अस सपोज कि आप किसी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो या फिर आप किसी ओपन सोर्स में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हो। एंड लेट अस सपोज देयर इज अ पर्सन who has written a function and comment is not written, and if you want to access this function, if you want to use this function, so it's really difficult for you in order to understand what this function is actually doing. And as you know, the code written in the programming languages is not that much readable. So, in order to understand, in order to make your program or code more readable, we should add comment in our code or program. So basically, comments makes our program or code more readable. So there is basically two types of comment: single line comment and a multi-line comment. Let's see one by one. So single line comment is represented by two forward slash. It's a single line comment. And if you're writing comment in your code or program, so no need to worry regarding any errors like compiler error, runtime error, because comment is simply ignored by compilers. So no need to worry regarding any errors. So after this two forward slash, everything will be ignored by the compiler, and it applies only on a single line. If you want to apply comment on a multiple lines, so there is something like a multi-line comment, and it is represented by the forward slash and star. So if you write something inside this, it will be simply ignored by the compiler. So it's a single line comment and multi-line comment. So let us suppose if you want to add comment for this set of code. So here we are basically what we are doing. We are simply printing our channel name in a console or a monitor. So we can add comment like in a way we are printing channel name in console or monitor. Beginners is thinking that why we are writing our first program with a hello world, why we are printing hello world in our console or monitor. So it's basically a very normal things. It's a way of greeting whenever you are entering in your programming field. It's a way of greeting. सो अब हम लोग वेरिएबल्स को एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं। जैसा कि हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो में देखा कि वेरिएबल्स एक यूजर डिफाइंड है। आपको वेरिएबल्स और कीवर्ड्स में आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है। कीवर्ड्स इज अ प्री डिफाइंड and a variables is user defined, and we are using variables in order to store and access the value, and we can't name variable with any keywords because keywords is a predefined. So let's explore variables with the help of a program or code. As include iostream using name space std int main, and here we are declaring variable like int age is equal to 20 and cout age int marks is equal to 90 and cout marks, and simply return 0 in order to exit the program and simply run. So 20 and 90. So no need to worry regarding the data type. It's a integer data type because we are storing the value 20. Int marks here also it's an integer data type because we are storing the value 90. In upcoming videos I will discuss each and everything. So guys, always keep in mind, always use a meaningful variable name. Don't use any random variable name like ABCD, because a meaningful variable name makes your program or code more readable. So there is some variable naming rule. In order to name your variable, there is some rule. So let's see what is the rule. So characters is allowed, means lowercase, uppercase, digits and underscore. So lowercase, small a to small z, uppercase, capital A to capital Z, digits 0 to 9, and underscore, as you know, underscore. So these are the variable naming rule. So अब हम लोग naming convention देखने वाले हैं. So basically there is two types of naming convention, and the first one is camel case and the second one is a snake case. So some of the companies are using camel case convention and some of the companies are using a snake case convention. You can use anyone as per your convenience. So let's see here. If you are declaring a variable with a single words, so it would be same for both camel case as well as snake case. If you are declaring a variable name with a combination of two words, so it would be same for a beginning of the first letter, but in the beginning of the second words it would be different. Similarly, for if you are declaring a variable with a combination of a three words, so it would be like this. So now we are going to start with data type and types of data types with the help of a program or code. So now write the code as load IO string using space std int main. So declare variable like int age is equal to 20, float weight is equal to 80.5, and now bool is married is equal to true, char gender is equal to male, string name is equal to and cout statement, its age is married, gender and name, return 0. Now run the program and we get our output. Let give a space, can also give space here. You can also mention a space. Yeah, so now run the program and we get our output like 20, 80.5 and 1 and m and our channel name query code. So now understand each data type one by one. It's an integer data type. It's a integer data type. It's a float data type which stores a decimal number. Bool data type, it's a default nature whenever you are printing a bool data type. So either print 1 or 0. It's a default data type, true for 1 and respectively false for 0. It's a character. In order to store character, we are using char data type. It's a string data type, and a string data type is stored within this double quote, within double quote. Types of data type. There is mainly two types of data type: primitive, and the other one is non-primitive. Primitive is also known as fundamental types. So now let's see one by one. First one is primitive, also known as fundamentals types. Primitive data type consists of integer type, floating type, character type, other as well. Other contains bool, void. Integer contains a sort, int. Floating contains double, float, float, double. Yeah. So the second one is non-primitive data type. It's derived from primitive data type, and non-primitive data type contains arrays, pointer, user defined data type like class, a struct. We will see these all things in a oops concept: class and a struct, and a string, vector. We will study about vector in a C++ STL series. So these are the basic difference between a primitive data types and a non-primitive data types. Size of operator in C++. So what is size of operator in C++? It basically returns number of bytes required for a data type. So चलिए बारी बारी से इंडिविजुअल डेटा टाइप के लिए साइज ऑफ ऑपरेटर परफॉर्म करके देखते हैं. So has include I string using namespace std int main. So int marks float weight char gender bool is married double pi. So now see out size of marks, size of weight, size of gender, size of is married, size of return 0. So now run. So the size of marks means the size of a integer data type is 4. The size of weight means the size of a float data type is 4. Size of a gender means the size of character data type is 1. The size of is married means the size of a bool data type is 1. The size of bool data type is also 1. And the size of a pi means the size of a double is 8. Yeah, so the output of a size of operator is a compiler dependent. So let's see with an example. The output of a size of operator is a compiler dependent. Yeah, so let us suppose int marks is equal to 90 and c dot size of marks plus plus, and here c dot marks. What we are expecting here? So here we are expecting that size of is what? It's a return the number of bytes required for a data type. So our data type is int. So I have seen that for a int data type it would be 4. So here 4, and here size of marks plus plus. We are expecting that it would become 91. From here is 90. So marks plus plus increment operator is here. So we are expecting 91. 4 or 91 we are expecting. Let's see. We are getting 4 or we are getting we are getting 4 or 90, not 91. And this backslash n, it basically moves the cursor to the next line. So why 90, not 91? Because as I told you earlier that our size of operator is a compile time operator. So this expression, yeah, this marks plus plus expression will not be evaluated because our size of operator is a compile time operator, so it is not evaluated at runtime. Yeah, so it is 90 and it is 4. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much guys.